Most Google Local Services ads budgets bleed from 7 simple, fixable mistakes. You pay for calls, but the money disappears before a booked job. Slow response, limited hours, no call tracking, wrong service areas, thin reviews, unclaimed refunds for bad leads, and no follow-up system. The root cause is delay. If a lead waits over 60 seconds, they call your competitor. Answer fast and route correctly, and your ad spend turns into booked work. Set a 60-second response rule for all local services ads, calls, and messages. Use immediate call forwarding to a trained team or answering service, and send an instant text confirmation from your sales system. Run the free local services ads revenue leak check below to see exactly where slow follow-up and misrouting are burning your ad spend today. Close-up of a ringing smartphone on a clean desk, a visible missed call icon glowing red, with a blurred background of a busy office to suggest urgency, high contrast colors with deep charcoal, crisp white, and a bold accent of red to draw the eye, vertical composition with strong lighting, dramatic focus on the phone, and a tense, urgent mood.